Hello everyone, I am Manisha Mani. As we all aware about the coronavirus, today I am going to show you how the coronavirus is spread in India. For that purpose, I have analyzed the data about the coronavirus. I have collected the data from the kaggle.com. This is the number of problem statements regarding the MAP project. For example, total confirmed cases of COVID-19 patients state-wise and month-wise. Total deaths due to the coronavirus month-wise and state-wise. Total discharge or the cure patients month-wise and state-wise. Total new cases of COVID-19 patients month-wise and state-wise. Total recovered COVID-19 patients month-wise and state-wise. I have also compared the data of recovery rate and the data rate. Also, longitude of the states and latitude of the state. This is the summary for my project. This dataset is consist of the spread of coronavirus state-wise and month-wise. It also consists of the death rate and the recovery rate. Total number of cases of COVID-19 patients month-wise and state-wise. Also the total number of discharged people month-wise and state-wise. It also covers what are the longitudinal and latitude of the states. This is the pie chart which shows that total confirmed cases state-wise, as we have seen that the total number of confirmed cases are larger in the Maharashtra. This is the next chart which shows that total confirmed cases month-wise. As we see that in July month, there are total confirmed cases are larger. This is the next one chart for the total death rate in month-wise. So in July month, there are total number of death patients are more as compared to the other months. Next, this chart shows that the total death rate state-wise. As we see that in Maharashtra, there are total number of death rate is more as compared to the other states. This chart shows that the total discharge or the cured patients month-wise. In July month, there are total recovered or the cured discharge patients are more. This pie chart shows the total discharge or the cure patients state-wise. As we see that in Maharashtra, there are total number of cure patients is more as compared to the other states. This chart shows that the total new cases month-wise. In July month, there are new cases are larger, increase in number as compared to other months. This chart shows that the total new cases state-wise. In Bihar, there is a less number of new cases, and in Maharashtra, there are larger number of new cases. This chart shows that the recovery rate, total recovered month-wise. As we see that in July month, there are recovery patient rate is larger as compared to other months. This is the recovery rate for state-wise. In Maharashtra, there are number of recovery patients are larger as compared to the other states. Here, I have compared the data of recovery rate versus death rate. And as you see that In Maharashtra, there is recovery rate as well as the death rate is larger as compared to the other states. This is my dashboard. I have created the dashboard by using the previous pie charts and different charts. This is my another dashboards. Here I use the slicer. And conclusion of my project is, from this data set, it shows that the spread of coronavirus is highest in the Maharashtra state. It also shows that the recovery rate and the death rate is also highest in the Maharashtra state as compared to the other states. There is very less spread of the COVID-19 in March month and the highest spread in the July month. Thank you. So, the COVID-19 is spreading day by day. It becomes the part of our lives. So, we have to take care of ourselves. So, daily use the mask, sanitizer, and avoid the crowding. So, keep yourself safe and your family. Thank you.